In this lecture, we will talk about what makes a great Scrum Master. If you've ever wondered how some teams work like a well oiled machine while others stumble, the answer often lies in the Scrum Master. They're not just facilitators, they're leaders, problem solvers, and motivators who help teams succeed in agile environments. In this lecture, you will understand the essential skills, traits, and techniques of a great Scrum Master. Learn about common challenges Scrum Masters face and how to overcome them. Use a relatable analogy to clarify the role. Being a Scrum Master isn't about giving orders but enabling the team. Let's understand this. A great Scrum Master communicates clearly, listens actively, and ensures everyone's voice is heard. They understand the challenges their team faces and promote a supportive environment. When conflicts arise or obstacles block progress, a good Scrum Master steps in to resolve issues quickly and effectively. From sprint planning to daily stand ups, Scrum Masters guide discussions to keep everyone focused and productive. Agile is all about responding to change, and a Scrum Master must lead the way by staying flexible and open to new ideas. Instead of being a boss, a Scrum Master serves the team, removing roadblocks and helping members excel. Think of Scrum Master as an orchestra conductor. The conductor does not play an instrument but ensures every musician works in harmony. If one section plays offbeat, the conductor guides them back in sync. A Scrum Master does not do the work but ensures everyone works together and delivers great results. Let's understand some techniques used by Scrum Masters. Scrum Masters run meetings like sprint reviews and retrospectives with clear agendas and outcomes. They educate team members about agile practices and encourage continuous improvement. Monitoring key metrics like velocity and burn down charts help the team stay on course. Let's talk about some real world challenges Scrum Masters face. Teams may resist agile practices, especially if they are used to traditional methods. A great Scrum Master introduces change gradually and explains its benefits. Personality clashes can disrupt progress. A good Scrum Master mediates conflicts and ensures collaboration. Scrum Masters often juggle responsibilities. Time management and prioritization are essential skills to maintain balance. Observe a team project in any context, a group assignment, club activity, or work setting. Write a short report identifying how the leader facilitates collaboration and handles challenges. Compare their actions to the traits of a Scrum Master. To sum up, a great Scrum Master combines technical know how with emotional intelligence. They guide the team, solve problems, and create a culture of collaboration. Did this lecture help you better understand the role of Scrum Master? Share your insights in the comment section.